Today I'm going to show you how to add filters to your display capture in OBS. Over here under sources, you'll see your display capture. This is what you're currently seeing right now. This is my display capture. So whatever's on my screen, it will capture this in my screen recording. Now, if you right click on it, you'll see there are a few options, lots of options. Go down to filters, and over here you'll see all of your filters. Now click on plus, and here you can apply a LUT. You can apply a chroma key, a color correction, a color key, a crop or a pad, an HDR tone mapping, an image mask blend, luma key, render delay, scaling aspect ratio, a scroll, or a sharpen. Now, whatever it is that you go ahead and choose, you're going to go ahead and you're going to configure each one as it is. Now, if you are applying a LUT, you need to make sure that you've actually got that LUT on your device. So over here, it's going to ask you to add in your LUT. So go ahead, click on browse. I've now chosen a LUT that has come with OBS when I downloaded it, and you can change the amount or the intensity over here. So I've literally just chosen a negative LUT over here, and then you go ahead. Once you're done, you're going to go and say close. Now, of course, every one of these effects or these filters will allow you different types of property settings. So let's say the chroma key, go ahead, and the key color type, of course you want it to be green, and let's go ahead and say close, and this will now just pull out all of the green that is directly in your capture display. Now, of course, if you want to change any properties here, you can just click on any one of them and you'll be able to change the properties. You can temporarily disable them, or you can right click and just say remove altogether, and this will then remove your filters.